Om Dridha Nischayaya Namaha.
Nischaya means determination, conviction, firm, dridha, firm conviction. In what? Regarding what? Firm determination regarding the nature of the reality. He had the firm conviction and nature of the reality. What is the nature of reality? Gurudev's last name. Menon. Not Balakrishna Menon, not in that. Ashtottara Shatanamavali, last name. Nitya Shuddha Buddha Mukta Swarupa. Nitya is the adjective. Nitya means eternal. Nitya Shuddha, eternally pure. Nitya Buddha means eternally enlightened, awake. And Nitya Mukta means ever free, never bound. See, only when you wake up from the dream, you realize, I never was that. Every time I feel that, whenever I wake up from the dream, Abba, no more exams. Because in the dream, always I dream of exams. And the dream exam, I don't know any of the question paper set by my own mind. My own mind set the paper. I don't know any of the answers. Now what to do? I tried all the traditional techniques and all are looking into my paper. What can you do? And you wake up. What a joy. I am a Swami now. No more any exams. Isn't it? I ask children, how do you like school? Because parents are watching. They are looking at, good Swamiji. Very good school. Then I ask the children, you ask me the same question. And some boys how do you like school, Swamiji? Closed. And they get to look at their parents. The parents said, they pat their head. Why did I bring the boy to this Swami? See that? So exams, such a nightmare. When you wake up from the nightmare, I never was that. I always was this. That feeling, what a joy you feel. I am always that. Since time immemorial. But I forgot myself and became this. Forgetfulness of the self is the ego. So firm conviction regarding the nature of the reality. Also firm conviction, determination on the means to reach it. Vedanta alone is the means. Vedanta Vijnana Sunischitarthaha. Vedanta indicates to that the real, what is that reality? At the physical level, no doubt puja, to purify. At the mind level, japa, for single pointedness. PC. You have to open the PC first. Purity and concentration, single pointedness. PC means not your PC. Purity, concentration. Then at the intellect level, Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana. First is listening. Listening to today last class on last musibat ho gaya. Listening, reflecting, alarm, alarum. That's how you know. Alarm means attentive listening. A-L. Then A-R, attentive reflection. Then A-M, attentive meditation. Turn the alarm at the intellect level. So, through the means. And also, who is conviction regarding the Guru? Which Guru to follow? Luckily, we have Gurudev. He has chewed up all this and spat it out. So, he is the real Guru. Who is the Guru? Shrotriyam Brahmanishtham. This is one of the names is Shrotriyaya Namaha. Om Brahmanisthaya Namaha. Shrotriya means he has listened to his teacher. Gurudev never says all my original. My teacher gave it to me. My teacher took me to the end of it and pushed me beyond. So he is Shrotriya. Not only Shrotriya, Brahmanistha, established in that what the Guru indicated to him. So a teacher, Guru, who can be called as a Guru? Whoever is Shrotriya, not mere Shrotriya, also Brahmanistha. How did he, after chewing all this only he went there? If not, we will not know what to indicate to. Remember that if somebody asked me direction to come to Chinmaya Mission Kailas Nivas, Swamiji, how to come to Chinmaya Mission Swamiji, Kailas Nivas? From Capital Beltway 495, take exit 28 north to New Hampshire Avenue, drive 6.5 miles, turn left on Norwood Road, 4000 Chinmaya Mission. See, how? Did I tell it right or wrong? But only thing if that person says, Swamiji, I am not coming from Beltway 495. If he says that, then what will I say? Go there. He may be in here itself near a Safeway. Go there and then come. So don't depend on such Guru. Yeah. So go to him who can guide you from where you are. If you are at the physical level, emotional level, intellectual, where you are, from there he'll guide you. That's called Shrotriya Brahmanishya. Such a person alone should be the Guru. Others can be just, what do you call, local, kitna dur. Not entire destination. Little they can guide you. So, he is the greatest Guru. So, Drida Nischayaya Namaha. But our Nischaya is not like Aparna. Aparna means, I know her, Swamiji, Aparna. Aparna is who? Parvati. Why was she called Aparna? She was doing tapas to get Shiva. Shiva was not coming. So she started, okay, I'll stop eating food. Stopped all food. Solid food. Shiva still did not come. Then she was only on leaves. That's called Parna. Leaf. Only salad. Leaf. Not even Ramdas salad. Because he does it more tasty and all. And very, just the leaves she was eating. Then also Shiva is not coming. Then she became Aparna. Means, not even the leaves. Then they gave her a title, Aparna. The idea is determined to get Shiva. So that sort of determination to get Shiva. And Gurudev's determination is well known. It happened once, Gurudev's talk, in the morning talks was 6:30 to 7:30. So some devotees came and Swamiji, 6:30 is too early. If Swamiji has 7 o'clock class, 7 to 8 we'll attend the class and then go straight to work. So Swamiji said, well, what time is work? 8 o'clock. But if you leave here at 8, how will you reach at 8? That's okay, Swamiji. 6:30 is too early. Can you make it 7 to 8? Then we can come, attend and go to work. He said, okay, from tomorrow onwards the class will be at 6 a.m. I said, Swamiji, 6:30 is 7 a.m. Swamiji said, no, 6 a.m. And he knows they want to attend. They had to come 6 o'clock. Drida Nischaya. No change. He told them, I gave you 1 extra hour for in your entire life. 1 extra hour in your lifespan. Isn't it? So, Drida is firm conviction.
Om Dridha Nischayaya Namaha.